咁我哋前邊嗰部分咧就講咗乜嘢叫 equilibrium 啦，就係 reversible 嘅 reaction。當佢 establish equilibrium 嘅時候咧，個 rate of forward reaction 就等於個 backward reaction，個 concentration 就冇變嘅。但係咧，如果我哋做一啲嘅 change in the equilibrium 或者 in the reaction mixture 嘅時候，譬如加啲嘢或者改變個 pressure 嘅話咧，其實咧成個 equilibrium 咧係會被影響嘅。咁今日咧我哋講一個嘅 principle 嘅，我哋叫 Le Chatelier principle。呢條嘅 principle 講啲乜嘢咧？嗱，呢條 principle 就講，當一個嘅 chemical system 啦喺 equilibrium 嘅情況下，如果係俾人 is disturbed by a change in the condition，呢個嘅 change 可以係 change in concentration 啦，可以 change in pressure 啦，可以 change in temperature 嘅話時候咧，個 equilibrium position 啊，當佢有一個嘅 change in the conditions 嘅時候。有個 disturbance 嘅時候，個 equilibrium position 咧係會轉變嘅。OK，it will shift in a direction。OK，tend to counteract the change 啊。嗰個 equilibrium position 咧係會改變。OK，然後咧去做多啲嘅 forward reaction 或者 backward reaction，從而去抵消嗰個嘅change 嘅。好啦，咁我哋嚟緊咧就會一個一個咁樣講嘅。咁呢一條片咧，我哋主要係講咧，當我哋轉變嗰個 concentration of a equilibrium 嘅時候。咁我會點樣影響成個嘅 reaction system 咧？咁好簡單嘅啫，其實咧睇一睇呢條 equation 啦。咁假設咧我哋 dissolve bromine into water，咁其實就好似我哋以前 dissolve chlorine in water 一樣，其實就會 form 咗呢個 HOCl 或者係HCl 啦。咁但係如果我將佢變成 bromine 啫，好啦，當我哋做呢個 reaction 嘅時候，咁啊 bromine 就溶落水，然後 form 咗 HOBr 同埋 H plus 同埋Br minus 啦。好啦。呢個係會 establish 一個 equilibrium 噶嘛？喺 equilibrium 嘅時候，應該所有嘅 product 同埋所有 reactant 都喺嗰個嘅 system 入邊嘅。咁但係假設我哋如果做咗 equilibrium 啊，個 concentration of each species 唔再改變啦，然後呢個時候我加啲嘅 HCl 呢個 addition of HCl 嘅時候，即係我會喺條 equation 入邊邊啲嘢會加多咗啊？我就應該會令到呢個 H plus 嘅 concentration 會上升啦。所以呢度就同你講啦，當我哋加 X 嘅時候，其實係影響咗個成個 reaction system 入邊某一啲嘅 product 或者 reactant 咧個 concentration 嘅。如果加 X 嘅話咧，就會 increase the concentration of hydrogen ion。好啦，當呢度有多啲 hydrogen ion 嘅時候，咁個 reaction會點樣啊？咁即係多啲 hydrogen ion 就會令到個 equilibrium 就 shift 去左手邊啦。OK，the equilibrium will shift to the left to counteract the change，去抵消翻呢度多咗出嚟嘅 H plus，咁就係將個 reaction 嘅 equilibrium 咧 shift to the left 啦。OK，咁咪令到呢個嘅 H plus 嘅 concentration 可下降翻咯。呢個就係 counteract the change 嘅意思啊，抵消翻嗰個改變嘅。所以 that's why 咧 more reactant will be formed。而最後咧，如果當多啲reaction form 嘅時候咧，你應該 expect 咧個顏色上邊咧應該會變得係 brown in color， 係深色咗嘅，因為另外呢邊係 colorless 噶嘛，所以 the brown color of the solution will become deeper。嗱，唔係會一個 colorless 做一個嘅 brown solution 啊，其實唔係咁樣㗎，OK，因為你始終都有啲 brown 嘅即係bromine喺個 solution 入邊㗎嘛，係應該會深色咗嘅。咁呢個咧成個咧就係答題嘅方法啦。如果你要解釋個 concentration 嘅改變嘅時候，點樣影響個 equilibrium position 嘅變化，然後從而點樣影響多啲個 product 或者 reactant form 出嚟，最尾係個 observation。呢度係嗰個改變。第一個位置你一定要講到係轉換緊啲乜嘢 ，change 緊啲乜嘢 ，concentration 嘅 change 啦，change in concentration 嘅 change 啲乜嘢。第二個部分就係嗰個 equilibrium position 嘅變化嘅轉變，係去 shift 去 left 啊，定話 right？最尾第三樣嘢啦，就係講翻有啲乜嘢會多咗。第三樣嘢咧，最尾啦，咁就會係嗱呢一個第二點同第三點咧，其實係一樣嘅嘢嚟嘅。個 equilibrium position shift to the left 就咪多啲 reactant 咯，shift to the right 就會多啲 product 啦。最尾啦，呢個位置就係乜嘢啊？就係一個 observation 咯。你要識講埋個 observation，咁就係呢三點啦。提嘅下啦，下邊一樣啦。如果我係加啲嘅 sodium hydroxide 嘅話，即係點樣啊？其實就係 re-neutralize 呢個 H plus 啦。That's why 咧加一個 hydroxide 嘅時候，sodium hydroxide solution 咧係會 decrease the concentration of hydrogen ion 噶。所以令到 hydrogen ion 嘅 concentration 降低咗，所以個 equilibrium position 會點啊？就會 shift to the right 啦，就會指向右邊，就係 to counteract the change 去抵消嗰個改變。你會 expect 咧 more product will be formed OK 會多啲 product form 翻出嚟，form 翻個 H plus 啊嘛，抵消個嘅改變啊嘛。最尾啦，個 brown colour 咧，因為 shift to the right 嘅時候就應該 become paler 嘅。OK，the brown colour of the solution will become paler。呢個咧就係 concentration 喺個 equilibrium 嘅時候改變嘅時候，會有啲乜嘢嘅 observation 或者有啲乜嘢嘅事發生啦。OK， 好啦，咁啊，然後我哋再睇一睇下邊呢一個嘅 equilibrium system 咯，或者一個 Haber process 嘅 system 啦。咁啊就係 nitrogen react with 3個 hydrogen form ammonia 啦，呢個好 typical 嘅Haber process 嘅一個嘅 reaction。OK， 咁啊假設啦，如果喺呢個 equilibrium 嘅時候，我加多啲 nitrogen gas 嘅時候，即係 nitrogen gas 會多咗啦。咁你寫翻啦。第一樣嘢 concentration 有咩變化 ？concentration of nitrogen 會 increase。如果當我哋加個 nitrogen gas 落去嘅時候，係咪多咗 nitrogen gas 啊？所以個 equilibrium 咧係應該 shift to the right to counteract the change 嘅，去右手邊。That's why 咧你會 expect more ammonia will be formed。呢個亦都解釋到咧點解當我哋加多啲 nitrogen gas 落個 system 入面嘅時候咧，點解咧個 yield 啊？OK， 即係嗰個嘅 product 整出嚟嗰個嘅製成品嗰個 ammonia 咧係會多咗嘅。OK， 咁呢個咧就係嗰個成個concentration 改變點樣影響嗰個嘅 equilibrium 啦。好，咁呢個圖咧會講乜嘢咧？就係講翻呢個 y-axis 咧就係個 concentration 啦。OK， 當佢 establish 咗 equilibrium 之後，如果我再只係加啲嘢。加咗乜嘢？今次喺呢個 case 咧就係加咗啲 nitrogen 嘅時候，點樣繼續會影響嗰個 equilibrium 嘅 position 嘅變化，從而最尾又 establish 多個 equilibrium 出嚟嘅。OK， 咁啊，然後喺 x-axis 咧就係個 time 啦，就係個 seconds 啦。好，咁假設咧一開始咧成個 reaction 咧，我係有 nitrogen 啦、ammonia 啦同埋 hydrogen 喺個 reaction system。你見到佢哋 concentration 係冇變到㗎，代表乜嘢啊？喺呢個情況下，其實係一個 equilibrium 出現咗㗎啦。但係當我加咗呢個嘅nitrogen gas 落去嘅時候，會有啲咩影響啊？會令到成個 system 入邊嘅 nitrogen gas 會點啊？會上升咗突然之間，但係其他有冇變啊？喺呢一刻係冇變嘅，未有變嘅。所以個 concentration，當我如果加咗喺個 equilibrium 突然之間咧 disturb 佢，加咗 nitrogen gas 嘅時候，個 concentration of nitrogen 咧就會上升咗啦。然後其他兩個就唔會變啦。然後你 expect 個 equilibrium 係會 shift to the right 啦，所以係會 form 多咗嘅 ammonia。同一時間呢啲嘅 nitrogen 咧應該係 react 咗 ，that's why 佢會跌落嚟嘅。咁所以第一樣嘢咧，你呢個位置咧，咁啊 nitrogen 咧就會跌落嚟啦。OK 之後，咁然後 hydrogen 都會點啊？應該都會 react 啦，因為 shift to the right 啊嘛，所以會有啲嘅hydrogen 咧係會都會 react 咗，而跌嘅幅度係乜嘢啊？應該係呢個嘅3倍嘅。OK， 呢個係3倍，呢個1倍嘅。咁所以咧下一條咧你會見到咧 hydrogen 呢個跌嘅跌幅咧，其實呢個係3比1嘅。OK， 3比1嘅，因為3個 hydrogen 同一個一個嘅 nitrogen gas 去 react 啊，一個 nitrogen molecule 就 react 啊。好啦，咁最尾啦，咁 ammonia 會點啊 ？ammonia 就應該會升啦，然後升2度啦，個比例就係會升，呢度就係個2啦。所以你最尾咧畫翻佢個 ratio 嘅時候咧，就應該係一個嘅1比2比3嘅一個 ratio 嚟。咁呢個就講咗咧。當佢如果 disturb 咗個 equilibrium 之後，其實佢最尾都會 attain 翻個 equilibrium 嘅，我哋 attain 翻個 equilibrium 嘅。好啦，跟住咧，我要強調一樣嘢就係咧，當你 attain 咗 equilibrium 之後咧，其實咧你再計翻個 Kc 之後咧，塞翻啲 concentration 落去個 Kc 度計嘅時候咧，同呢度嘅 Kc 應該一樣嘅。點解啊？因為 Kc 係 temperature dependent 啊嘛，喺同一個 temperature 入邊，其實得一個 Kc 嘅啫。That's why 咧，而家你冇改變 temperature，所以咧 Kc 會點啊？Kc 會 remain unchanged 嘅，縱然你係改變緊成個 reaction 嗰個嘅，你 disturb 咗個 equilibrium，你加咗啲嘅 nitrogen 落去，改變個 concentration，但係個 Kc 係唔會變㗎。Kc 淨係喺 temperature 變嘅時候佢先會變嘅。OK，所以呢度就係講緊咧 concentration 點樣影響成個 equilibrium 啦。